Did you expect newborn cuddles all day and got a surprise endless diaper changes? You're not alone, and you're not doing anything wrong. Newborns can need changes every hour while awake. Can feel nonstop, especially with a breastfed baby who pees and poops often. Today, let's make diaper time simple, gentle, and stress-free for both you and your little one. Maybe you're asking, how do I know when to change? Or do I have to wake the baby at night? Or you just want a clear step-by-step routine that helps prevent diaper rash. In this video, we'll cover when to change, what to prepare, and how to do it safely and gently. You'll walk away with a calm routine you can repeat even at 3 a.m. Change your baby before or after each daytime feeding if wet, and whenever there's a poop. You'll usually hear the grunts or notice the smell, so detective work isn't required. Cloth diapers feel wet. Some disposables have a color change stripe, and a quick peek or sniff will tell you the rest. At night, don't wake a sleeping baby unless very wet or poopy. Extra light inactivity can make it hard to fall back asleep. Before you open a diaper, make sure everything is within arm's reach. Have a clean diaper, cotton balls and warm water for newborns or rash, or gentle wipes for older babies. Keep a small towel to pat dry, a change of clothes for leaks, and diaper cream if needed. Skip lotions, oils, and powder. You don't need them for a basic change. Wash and dry your hands first, or use a wipe or sanitizer if you're away from a sink. Set up somewhere safe and never leave baby unattended, not even for a moment. Keep baby entertained, sing a little song, make gentle eye contact, or offer a small toy in view. A peaceful baby makes cleaning easier and helps you move slowly and carefully. Unfasten the diaper but don't remove it yet. Use it to wipe away most poop if there is any. Fold the diaper under baby with the clean side up. Then clean the front first with warm water or a wipe, getting into all the skin folds. Lift both legs to clean the buttocks, then slide the soiled diaper out and place a fresh one underneath before lowering the legs. Pat dry gently. Make sure the skin is fully dry before applying any cream or closing the clean diaper. If the umbilical stump is still attached, fold the diaper down to keep it dry, or use newborn diapers with a notch. Fasten the diaper snugly to prevent leaks, but not so tight that it leaves marks. If you see irritation, address it early with gentle cleaning, full drying, and a thin layer of barrier cream. Staying ahead of moisture is the best way to avoid diaper rash. Keep a clean diaper or cloth over the penis during the change. This helps prevent surprise sprays. Seeing an erection during a change is normal for baby boys, so don't worry. Clean gently under and around the scrotum and penis, being careful but thorough. Aim the penis downward before closing the diaper to reduce leaks into clothing. Seal up disposable diapers and place them in a covered trash or diaper pail. Store used cloth diapers in a tightly closed pail. If there's solid stool, scrape it into the toilet first, or use a flushable liner. When you're out, keep a spare outfit and a plastic bag or wet bag for carrying soiled items. Finish by washing your hands with soap and water, or use sanitizer if you're away from a sink. Diapering gets faster and easier every day as your routine settles in. Prepare your supplies, move gently, and keep baby cozy and dry. That's the whole secret. Frequent changes protect your baby's skin and help prevent rashes before they start. You've got this, and your baby's happy. Clean bottom will prove it.